Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 47. The table above shows the marks obtained in a given test. Find the mean mark. Now we're given this table showing the mark and frequency. That is, this frequency represents the number of students that scored the following mark. Now we are asked to find the mean mark of this given test. Now let's represent this in a frequency distribution table. So we have the marks. Let's call the marks X. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these are the marks obtained. Now the frequency F, the frequency of those that scored 1 is 2. Then for 2 is also 2. For 3 we have 8. For 4 we have 4. And for 5 we have 4. Now the formula for finding mean is given as summation fx all over summation f. So we find what's fx. Already our summation f now, that is the sum of this frequency, which is 2 plus 2 plus 8 plus 4 plus 4, and that is equals to 20. Now let's find fx. Fx simply means what? The mark multiplied by the frequency. 1 times 2 will give us 2. 2 times 2 here will give us 4. 3 times 8 will give us 24. 4 times 4 will give us 16. And 5 times 4 will give us 20. Now if you add this together, it will give us what? 66. So summation fx is equals to 66. So therefore mean is equals to summation fx over summation f, that is 66 all over 20, and this is equals to 3.3, which is option D, 3.3. So D is the correct answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.